Hey, what's up guys? It's Zach here from Top Notch Fishing, guys. Today we're out here, guys, going for a little walk. Got the 2 rods, only brought 2. Got a little rattle trap, a little jig tail swim bait thing. Got the 6.6 medium fast and the 7.2 medium extra fast, guys. Got this behind us, supposed to hit in like, I don't know, not too long. Got a good thunderstorm on the way, but one already passed through, at least passed through climax. But we just ran down here. It's like 7 minutes from our house to get down in here. Drove down in here, guys, into the valley. Beautiful down here. Look at this, guys. Pulling up on the river. We're gonna go down to that spot, guys, and we're hopefully gonna hit some fish. Caught didn't have a scale, 8, 9 down here, which is on my Instagram if you guys want to go follow it. It'll be somewhere on the screen, and it's at @topnotch_fishing. And yeah, guys, so let's get down here and let's do some damage. Okay, guys, here we go. A little bit windy. Here's a spot, guys. A little bend. And yeah, guys, so I'm gonna chill on top of this point. Try to hit some fish, guys. The GoPro on. And let's try to get a few. Okay, guys, first fish. Hooked up. Be a pretty good one. Maybe film on my phone, Dad. Here it's going. I think it's a nice one. Yeah. No, it's going, it's going. Just don't let me see. It's a good fish. I think he's tangled. It's going. Don't flip it in. Dad, your fingers in the lines. Okay, guys. That was sick. I hope the GoPro saw him hit it.
Ooh.
That's a pretty good one. Guys, look at this. Got everything on GoPro.
Ooh, that's a dandy.
That's a good. Look at that, guys. Pro grub. Right in his mouth. Now, I lost a pretty good one on the rattle trap. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. That storm's coming pretty fast. Don't know how much longer we got, so we're gonna get them back, and there he goes, guys. Gonna get back in there and hopefully get another pretty good one. How big? Yeah. Oh my god, I got him. He's pretty good. That was on GoPro. We're recording. He's pretty good. Not my best fish of the year, but it's a good fish. I need. On the lipless crank, guys. Nope, not as big as I thought. 3.5 pounder, guys. Guys, so this fish literally might be on the GoPro. I don't know if you can tell. Hit Dad's bobber while he was pulling it out of the water.
This?
That's a 4. And I threw to Dad's bobber, started jerking it in. It's all on GoPro. He clobbered it. It's my best fish of the year.
You stole my fish.
Not my best fish of the year, but it's a good fish.
He was sitting right along that bank.
On the lipless crank.
And that's the one that whapped at my jig twice.
Nope. Nope, not as
Gorge-
big as I thought.
Gorgeous fish. Oh, look at them.
3.5 pounder, guys.
Nice and long. Oh, oh. He was sitting right in along that edge. If I'd left my bobber another 2 minutes, he'd have taken it. Just barely hooked.
No, he's pretty good.
Where is he?
Yeah, he got 3 trebles in him.
Gorgeous fish.
Okay,
Beautiful.
guys, so I'm gonna try to get this out, show you guys, and then get some pictures. Here he comes. Oh my God. Come here.
Oh, that baby, that's a dandy.
Back up. Can you back up, please? Okay. We gotta take care of this fish. Guys, look at that. 1 treble.
Here.
Okay, treble's out. Okay, guys. Nothing huge. There he goes, guys. Just gonna chill. There he goes. Oh, I needed that, guys. Let's go get another one quick.